How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put two videos side by side in CapCut so they play at same time on one screen. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on the new project and select the first video, and once you have selected it, just tap on add to bring it to your timeline. And here, before we bring in the second video, let's set the canvas size. So simply swipe over to the option at the bottom and simply tap on aspect ratio. And now here you can pick the aspect ratio that matches your platform. For example, if you are posting on TikTok, you can choose the TikTok format, or you can use your finger to adjust the position the first video just the way that you want it. And here, once you are done, just tap on the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen, and with that we will add the second video. So here, simply scroll through the options at the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as overlay. So simply tap on that. And after that, simply tap on add overlay and choose the second video. And once you have selected it, simply you can go ahead to add it to your timeline. And here, once you have added the second video, you will see the second clip appearing at the top of the first one. So here you can move and resize the video that if you like to, and once you're done, you can simply play the button. And that's it. That's how you can put two videos in one screen on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.